What if I told you that you could build an AI business in just 3 days, start landing clients, and get paid, even if you're a complete beginner with no experience? Oh yeah, and you can do it all without spending a single dollar. Sounds way too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, I used to think so too, but stick with me for just a minute and I'll show you exactly how to make this happen. Here's the deal. Most local businesses are missing out on sales, drowning in missed phone calls, and dealing with outdated customer service that just isn't working. So that's where you come in. Imagine being able to offer these small business owners an AI-powered solution, an AI employee that never sleeps and filters spam and ensures that no customer question or request ever goes unanswered. This AI employee also handles appointments and customer interactions and follow-ups, and it does it all quickly, effectively, and automatically. You're basically offering them their own private robot sidekick. Kind of like this guy, only their robot actually makes the money and doesn't just dance around all day like a goofball. Now, if you've ever wondered what the best online business to start is, or what you should sell, or who you should sell to, then this is the opportunity that you've been waiting for. And here's the best part. You can get started for free in this upcoming exclusive 3-day virtual workshop. So let me quickly walk you through everything that you're going to get inside this free workshop and show you why it's your best chance to jumpstart your AI business with no money up front. First off, when you sign up for this free workshop, you're going to get complete access to the entire AI employee suite, which is what's going to allow you to offer all of these automated services without you having to lift a finger. I'm talking about voice AI, conversation AI, reviews AI, there's content AI, and a whole lot more. And you're getting the full unrestricted package that's been specifically designed to automate key tasks like customer service and lead generation and reputation management all under one roof. And here's the kicker. You keep 100% of the revenue. There's no commissions and no hidden fees, just pure profit in your pocket. And you don't need to worry about any complicated tech setups either, as these AI tools are pre-configured, fully set up, already installed and ready for you to deploy with the click of a button, so you can focus on growing your business quickly. This means that you don't need to be a tech wizard or tech expert, because the software handles all of the appointments and customer interactions and follow-ups for you, and it does it all automatically. But just giving you the tools and the training isn't enough to guarantee your success, which is why, to really make sure that you hit the ground running, you're also going to get a professionally designed, ready-made website right from day one. And this isn't just any old website. This is a high-converting branded showcase for your new AI business, but no coding skills required, as it's all done for you. We've also got you covered with a pre-recorded high-converting sales video. This video explains exactly why businesses need the AI employee and why you, my friend, are their go-to solution. This video handles objections and answers questions in advance, so you don't have to, which means clients say yes faster with way less effort on your part. You're also getting pre-written email templates that are proven to work. All you have to do is just copy and paste and hit send. It's as simple as that. And if you want to attract clients on social media, well, we've got you covered there too as well, as you're going to get ready-to-use social media videos that position you as an expert. These videos are designed to be engaging and informative, highly shareable, and are perfect for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Also, spaces are limited here, so make sure you sign up today, but you're going to get access to private one-on-one setup help completely free. What this means is that our team will hop on a Zoom call with you and walk you through everything step by step. So by the end of the workshop, you're going to feel confident and ready to launch your own AI business. This truly is that kind of opportunity that I would have killed for when I was first starting my online business over a decade ago. So I really want to encourage you to check it out, especially because it costs $0 to sign up. So it's the ultimate can't lose situation. Anyway, here's just a real quick sneak peek of what you're going to discover over the next few days inside the workshop. On day one, you'll discover a simple non-salesy way to show small business owners how the AI employee is the perfect solution that local businesses just like them have been looking for. On day two, you'll get access to our proven methods to attract and sign clients fast using ready-to-use marketing assets. In other words, you don't need to create a thing. Just copy and paste what's already been proven to work. And on day three, you'll master a simple but incredibly effective sales demo that closes deals without any hard selling. If you're nervous about sales or selling and not sure what to say, you're going to love this because it's going to be doing all of the heavy lifting for you. You're also going to learn a simple and foolproof way to make saying yes a no-brainer for your clients. And if you sign up now, you're also going to get access to a ton of exclusive bonuses, again, all for free, including the Stone's Throw sales formula, where you're going to learn how to find and convert local clients who are ready for a solution like AI Employee. You'll get the 5-second fortune system, which will help show clients quick wins with AI tools that deliver immediate results. You'll get the laid-back local script, which is a no-pressure sales script that builds interest and desire without being pushy, and the Marketing X-Ray tool, which is going to help you instantly find, qualify, and contact top prospects in your area. This 3-day workshop gives you everything you need to launch your AI business, land your first clients, and start generating revenue quickly. It's a step-by-step, no risks, complete system designed to help you succeed, and it's completely free. But spaces are limited, and the workshop is starting soon, so make sure that you tap or click the link in the descriptions below this video to register and to save your spot now.